What's up, guys? This is Zaman from Tech Unwind 9, and I am doing an unboxing today of the JBL Charge 4. We're also going to be reviewing this product. This here is the camouflage edition that you guys have been asking about. I am so pumped and excited about this. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box and we will talk about it, and we'll listen to some music to see what it sounds like. By the way, I already talked a little about this in my previous video, which I unboxed the JBL Charge 4 Gold Edition. If you guys want to check that video out, the link will be down below in the description. Go check that out. Here we go. Let's get started with this video. Alright, let's check this box out. It's really nice box. Very sturdy. They make it really high quality. So let's cut the box and we'll take a look. We'll get the camouflage on camouflage. Get the camouflage Swiss Army knife. Cut that thing. Alright, let's take a look what we have. And as you guys know, this does the reverse wireless charging or wired charging. So you can plug your phone into it and charge if you need to, or if you have anything else you can plug into it, you can definitely use it. Let's do the grand unveiling of the camouflage JBL Charge 4. Really nice. Really nice artwork. Here we go. Presentation, top notch. I'll give it 100 out of 100. Look at that, guys. Unbelievable. This is my favorite color as of yet. It's a really nice camouflage color. Beautiful. Look at that back. Check that out. You got the green Charge 4. Really nice. Sturdy material. Basically, they all are the same. This is just a different color. Look at that green, guys. This is why I wanted this. Beautiful. JBL. They make top-notch stuff. Everything is completely waterproof. You can submerge this underneath the water and nothing's going to go wrong with it. As long as you keep that tab closed, you're good to go. Alright, those are the connections, guys. USB-C charging, fast charging. You have the 3.5mm jack, and you also have a regular USB-C for you to be able to reverse charge your phone if your phone's low battery, okay? That's really nice. All the connections are on the top. JBL Charge 4 Connect button on the left over there, which lets you connect up to 100 speakers all together wirelessly to get surround sound. I love that. Passive radiator over there, and another radiator on the left to give you that bass. And I mean, the speaker is solid, guys. Okay, so let's see what else we have in here. Okay, we're gonna open it up and take a look to see what else we have in the box. Okay, so we got this little container, which is all you get as far as whatever you get in the box. Okay, so let's open that up and take a look what we have. Alright, so we have, I believe, the quick start guide. So let's open that up and take a look and see what we have inside that. By the way, guys, if you like this video and you want to see some more videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have lots of videos like this. I have different products. Go check it out. Links down in the below. And also, if you subscribe, you are going to get notifications once a week telling you what videos I have coming up soon. Okay, so basically this is telling you all the connections and how to use it. And it also tells you that's a power bank, so you can use this as a power bank, and it gives you some technical information about the specs. Alright, that's good. You guys can take a look at that right there. Okay, very nice. It tells you the battery life. It tells you a little bit about everything, how long you can play. It's got a 20-hour playback time. Honestly, I'm gonna tell you guys hands down right now, this is one of the best speakers as far as battery life. I've never had a problem with it. I mean, if once you charge it, I pretty much can say without a doubt you can last for about a week with the charge. Now, if you have it on max volume, you're probably gonna get 3 or 4 days. But 3 or 4 days, guys, think about it. That means like you're going out. Let's say if you take it out to the beach, or if you are camping, anywhere out off grid. This is gonna be like the perfect speaker. And you know what I do? I take two of them. I connect them with JBL Charge, and then basically what happens is you're able to get the surround sound with that. Now, let's see what else in the box, okay? So basically, all I saw was the information guide. It tells you what's the speaker all about, and then also you got the actual hardware. Now the hardware, you just get this. You got the USB-C cable to be able to charge it. Now don't forget, guys, the JBL Charge 4 does not come with a charging brick, okay? Which, in my opinion, is a bad move, JBL. If you guys can send that brick back, that orange brick that we used to get, the fast charging brick, I would really appreciate that, because without that, it's no good. Alright, let's connect it to Bluetooth and we'll take a look what this sounds like. There's a light for it. Once it connects, it'll just stay solid. Grab some popcorn, guys, grab some drinks, and we're gonna listen to some tunes right about now. Here we go. Alright, here we go, guys. I'm gonna put on a new song for you guys so you can listen to that and decide for yourself. Here we go. Alright guys, let's talk about this. What did you guys think? Did you guys like it? Did you not like it? Leave me a comment down below about what you guys thought about the sound. So as far as I am concerned, and in my opinion, this speaker is a major plus. Okay, I cannot say anything wrong about it as far as sound quality goes. I feel like for the money, which is $175.99 from JBL.com in all different colors, you cannot go wrong with it, and you cannot get a better speaker with better bass and more clarity. So in my opinion, this is a major yes. So if you guys thought this was a good speaker, I agree with you. I definitely love it. I love the highs, and I definitely like how the bass is. The bass is just enough. It could have been a little bit more, but I'm okay with it because honestly, it's good enough for the amount of money you're spending on it. So what did you guys think? Did you guys like this speaker? Or did you not like it? If you liked it, definitely leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you guys. And if you didn't, leave a comment down below anyways, because I love to hear from all of you guys. I love all of you guys. Thanks guys for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for me. See you on the next one.